In this video, we will show you how to clean the working chamber of the S5 on a daily and weekly basis and how to clean the blank magazine. To avoid breathing difficulties caused by machining residues, wear a face mask of class FFP2 during the entire cleaning. You will find this maintenance task listed as cleaning the working chamber in the maintenance section of Dental CNC. For this task, have the following items ready: a vacuum cleaner, a dry cloth after dry machining usage, a wet cloth after wet machining usage, a brush, a mild cleaning agent. Move the axes into the cleaning position by selecting the depicted icon in the maintenance section. Open the working chamber door. Clean the ionizer with the brush. Mount the ionizer cover. Notice: never clean the working chamber with compressed air because it will damage your machine. If the machine was used for dry machining only, suck up the coarse dirt in the working chamber with the vacuum cleaner. Suck up the machining residues around the measuring key with a vacuum cleaner. Keep a distance of 3 centimeters. Thoroughly clean the blank holder from all sides with a brush. If you want to continue with dry processing, dismount the ionizer cover. If the machine was used for wet and hybrid machining, clean all surfaces and cracks in the working chamber thoroughly with the cloth. Use a mild cleaning agent if necessary. Allow the working chamber to dry. Once per week, continue with the weekly cleaning of the working chamber. Move the axes into the cleaning position by selecting the depicted icon in the maintenance section. Clean the view window with the cloth. If the machine was used for dry machining only, clean all surfaces and cracks in the working chamber thoroughly with the cloth. Clean the area under the loading unit with the cloth. Open the blank magazine door. Remove all blank frames and block holders from the blank magazine. Thoroughly clean all blank magazine slots with a brush. Clean the blank magazine with a vacuum cleaner and the cloth. Thoroughly clean all blank frames and block holders with a brush. Insert the block holders into the blank magazine. Ensure that the blank magazine slots correspond to the slots in Dental CNC. Close the blank magazine and working chamber doors. Once you have finished cleaning the working chamber, you should mark the corresponding task as complete in the maintenance section. Cleaning the working chamber. This will keep your list up to date. For a web version of the complete operating instructions, visit dentalportal.info/S5. We hope that this was helpful. Thank you for watching.